Hi everyone! Today we're excited to announce launching Zoho Books app at FreshDesk Marketplace. This accounting software is now integrated with your customer support ticket so that your agents don't need to switch between two apps to get all the necessary details about the client's information as well as billing information. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and use Zoho Books app within FreshDesk. You already have an active Zoho Books account with all the customers' information, so now we just need to link those two pieces of software. All you need to do is to log in to your FreshDesk, go to the admin module, apps, and find Zoho Books app. Install the app and connect the apps through the API. Check the settings to select the desired fields. As you can see, some of them are already predefined by default, but if you need some extras, please feel free to do that. After you are done with the settings, just install the app. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the app. So now let's see how it works for your agent. You need to create a new ticket, or if you already have some ticket submitted by the client who exists in your Zoho Books app, that's where you can see how this integration works. Just click here and see all the details. You can see all the customer details that exist in my Zoho Books, all the comments, as well as invoices. You can even view the invoice from here. And another good feature is that your agent can log in the time spent on this ticket and push this information to your Zoho Books so the accountant can send the right invoice to your client. Here you go. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a good day!